Oh, this is actually much easier compared to the other ones.
Make sure you stand behind the yellow line and be mindful of the closing gates.
Do you mind if I move up a row?
Yeah, you're good. The POV is on.
No, I mean, I just found I just like having a little extra space in front of me, even if I'm not having a camera.
And rest at all times. It's time to get amped up and feel the power of the
Oh, and the seats. Oh, that's interesting. The seats don't lock. Well, what am I saying? The seats shouldn't lock because it bounces. All right, everyone. Here we go. First ride on Pipeline, the Surf Toaster. Oh my God. And then we're gonna get a front row ride. Whoa! Oh my God! Wait, my nuts! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! I'm floating! So much fun! Whoa! Whoa! And I'm on a thing! Whoa! More! Yeah! Oh my God! It's even better than I expected! It's even better than I expected! Oh my God! That was incredible! That was amazing! We gotta go on this again. This is the new king of stand-up coasters, Green Lantern. I'm sorry, but you're done. You're done!
Lift your harness above your head. Carefully step out of your seat and off of the surf.